came about?
Well, to begin with, we weren't sure of that we have to make a team, and moment it came up, we didn't think about it so much. Our first instance just went to the latest movie release, Ford versus Ferrari, and of course Ken Miles, we all know, and his zeal for perfection and his kind of knowledge and passion for driving kind of was an instant hit to for us to relate to and wanting to do the best whatever we would.
So how did you hear about this challenge then one can understand?
So I'd heard about it from a couple of friends who've participated earlier. These guys who used to train with us for our usual runs in Delhi. Frankly, at that point, it just kind of struck a chord. For all the excitement that it kind of brings in, just by the thought of it. The experience is, of course, a different story altogether. Just by the thought of, you have to. It's not only like a tri sport where you are doing three different things, but to the level of adventure and extreme intensity of the effort it brings in. The biking is not just biking; it is mountain biking. The running is not running; it's hiking in the trails in the wilderness, and of course the rafting part. So it's a different kind of tri sport, and that was the most exciting part of it.
So Arnav, your father was of course in touch Lee
Yeah.
constantly, but we don't have many father and sons, especially at this age. We usually have people 10, 11, 5 accompanying the dads.
Yeah.
So how did he rope you in for this challenge?
So this is not the first time he's actually fooled me into something like this. So I've been into running since I was in 10th standard, so that's like 5 years back, and I've always tried to catch up with him as much as I can. So once he told me about this challenge, like him, I was also super excited because we're always up for taking any challenges, and uh, the the structure of the challenge was very exciting. Like he said, being a tri sport and driving up to Rishikesh, doing rafting, running in the hills. So yeah, that's how I wanted to be here.
So when you finally trained, you were posting a lot of lovely pictures of you running in the cities. This, of course, must have been a complete opposite experience, especially with the rains and then it clearing up finally. So what was that like for both of you?
So, yes, it was totally out of what we expected. The Delhi, of course, being, we were training in Delhi and the weather is very different. It does get cold at this time around. We did anticipate a relatively colder climate, but this turn of event just around these last couple of days was beginning to throw us off, I would say, because we had to be in the hills, we had to trek in the hills, and we all know the trails get little sludgy, and we weren't sure of how it will go, and it was raining till like last moment. The night before the event, it was raining till about 9:30, 10 continuously through the day. We were just keeping our fingers crossed. The organizers, of course, kept their cool and kept on telling us that it'll be a great day. It'll all settle. But we had no choice but to keep the fingers crossed and wait for the D-Day. And the worst was that okay, around 9:30, 10, the rain did subside, and when we woke up in the morning at 4, I came out of the tent and I looked out. It was nice, clear sky, and suddenly it started to drizzle again. I was like, oh my God, is it gonna be another washed out day? But against all apprehensions, it turned out to be a beautiful day. Being on the trail was such a lovely experience. The trail was just pristine. So yes, the excitement did get built from all possible ends, and it was great fun.
So the race route was suddenly changed because owing to landslides at the last minute. So you had to now bike from another location. So you biked first on the lovely route along the Ganges, then you trekked, and then you rafted. So what was race day like for you, both of you?
So the best thing was that we were here for the first time. So anything happening was new to us. So the any changes didn't really bother because we are just up for a surprise. So however you guys manage at back end with all the jitters, for us it just came as a new package and we just took it as it was served.
So you started at right at the Singtali Bridge is where you see the Ganga River right up and close.
Yeah.
What is it coming to the Himalayas? What is the trekking experience like?
So we've been into hills and we've been doing trek and some mountain runs and all before. So in that regard, it was not like a first time experience, but each time it's, I would say prettier than before. Mountains have something magnetic about them which draws us. Somehow, good thing is both of us are the mountain people. We kind of relate to that more and we kind of enjoy ourselves far more here. So being in the such close vicinity of the hills, I mean, being a part of it rather, at every step, it's a total different experience. Probably no words can ever express. Out of the world, I would say.
How was cycling? The cycling.
They were not in the session. So after the trekking, was the crowd favorite rafting on the Ganga River? Though of course you told me you had rafted before, but not in this cold weather. And we did suit you up, and like after a nice healthy lunch. What was your favorite part? Did you like anything specific? What is the rapids like? Did you get any splashes on yourself?
So for the rafting, I'll let Arnav take that. I just went about it as a procedure because I was just to focus. Okay, let's try and get over with it and kind of give it your best shot. Arnav was enjoying it more, and he was like, "Okay, let's take it." So I'll let him answer that.
Yeah, so out of the three things, I think rafting was one that I was looking forward to the most because it's just such a beautiful experience on the Ganga. You're flowing through the mountains, paddling your way across, and then the rapids come. That's such a wonderful feeling to be in when the guide is telling you what to do to go hard forward, as they say, and he's maneuvering the raft in such a way that you're able to get through the rapids in the best way possible. And no matter what, there are those chilly splashes which are coming your way. And to be honest, I really enjoyed it and look forward to doing it sooner.
So it was your first time at this challenge, but with the Aquaterra team involved and the Aquaterra experience, what was it like traveling with us?
It was a great experience, and I feel that it was very well organized. The fact that it was done in this climate only makes it tougher for the organizing team because, there was this rainfall and the landslide at the last minute. Still, you guys managed to completely come up with a backup route and ensure that there are no obstacles and no trepidations among the participants as well. They're ensured of their safety. I mean, not even once did it come to my mind that okay, are we safe doing this in such a climate, in such a terrain? And that just speaks volumes about how good the organizing team was. And yep.